Hello everyone, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Fidel Salduti Pangestu.
I'm Bimo Waskito.
I'm Hilmi Chandra Muzaki.
And we are from Universitas Sebelas Maret.
Semar Sanjaya.
Nowadays, almost 10 billion tons of concrete is produced annually. Since concrete is the most used material for construction because of its mechanical and durability properties. But environmental problems mainly came from cement production and the SOx emission, which are responsible for acidification, mainly originate for concrete production. To solve this problem, self-compacting concrete or SCC is the answer. SCC is the fresh concrete that has very good flowability and fills the entire framework under its weight. In this case, inspired us to innovate SCC as a sustainable and environmentally friendly concrete with the admixture of waste eggshell and COCKLE shell powder, which can increase the concrete strength and quality for more sustainable construction materials. According to the Livestock and Animal Health Statistic 2021, reported about 4.75 million tons egg produced in 2019. Since the mass consumption of egg, the waste eggshell will also accumulate and still considered useless materials. In Surakarta, a lot of cockle shells waste is produced from seafood culinary. Wasted cockle shell cause a bad smell and could become a breeding ground for E. coli bacteria. This condition motivates the community to treat waste so that pollution doesn't occur. Granite, as igneous rock, the quartz in it has hard and long durability. So we use waste granite as coarse aggregate substituent since it also supported by the large amount of granite production in the Surakarta area. According to this potential, we utilize waste eggshell and cockle shell and waste granite as partial substituents of cement, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate as high early strength of self-compacting concrete innovation. The use of such waste will reduce environmental pollution, can save on the use of material costs, and can increase public knowledge to utilize the waste.
This is our first innovation. Cockle shell powder or CSP is granules from crushed cockle shell. According to several research, this material has a positive effect on the concrete compressive strength. So, it is possible to use CSP as partial binder substitute. This material has a lot of calcium content, about 61.09% of calcium oxide. The crystal structure analysis by XRD shown that CS contains argonate, one of the calcium carbonate polymorphs, where these compounds require strong calcium oxide interaction. Therefore, argonate has a high density and hardness, which is suitable for construction manufacture, such as binder substituent. This binder production process is based on the Lamb cycle principle. The second innovation is eggshell powder. This is crushed eggshell which has fine particle with calcium carbonate percentage about 95%. This waste has a chemical compound like limestone, where the calcium mineral has a big percentage here. This compound will be calcinated and hydrated to form calcium hydroxide. According to the research by Dr. Fani et al. In the 2016, ESP has an ability to increase the concrete strength at every age. Also, this material doesn't absorb too much water. So this admix in the concrete gives a good slump flow.
Now the third innovation, waste granite. Granite is an acidic deep igneous rock, wholly crystalline, pheneritic and coarse grained texture, which contains 10 until 40% quartz materials. XRD test by Dinda Yunita 2019 P2 conclude that granites contain about 55.47 until 97.6% SiO2 with quartz trigonal crystal structure. It shows that quartz the granite has a very hard crystal structure than common coarse aggregate. These properties allows granite more resistant to erosion and abrasion and capable to withstand heavy loads, so that it can make concrete more impermeable, durable, and resistant to rock weathering. According to the granite characteristic, it is very possible to utilize waste granite as a partial coarse aggregate substituent. This innovation adds the value of waste granite, which can increase the concrete compressive strength and decrease the operational cost by reduce the fresh material usage.
Hello everyone, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Fidel Salduti Pangestu,
I'm Bimo Askito.
I'm Hilmi Chandra Musagi.
and we are from Universitas Sebelas Maret, Semar
Sanjaya.
Okay, before making concrete, there are following rules that we should do. First, prepare the equipment used to make concrete and weight the material according to the plan mix design.
Second, put the land aggregate, coarse aggregate, and granite waste into the mixer and wet until it is homogeneous.
Third, mix the PCC cement, excel waste powder, and clamshell powder into a mixer until well blended.
Fourth, add water super plasticizer, add 70% water and add super plasticizer from the total water content first and stir until homogeneous, then add 30% of the remaining water.
The fifth, stir the fresh concrete until it looks homogeneous and flows.
The sixth, test the slump and put fresh concrete into the mold, then let it harden in the mold for 1 day.
7. To test the compressive strength of concrete, age 1 day.